close my eyes and I can see a world that's waiting up for me, that I call my own. Through the dark, through the door, through where no one's been before, but it feels like home. They can say it all sounds crazy. They can say I've lost my mind. I don't care, so call me crazy. We can live in a world that we design. 'Cause every night I lie in bed, the brightest colors fill my head. A million dreams are keeping me awake. I think of what the world could be, a vision of the one I see. A million dreams is all it's gonna take. A million dreams for the world we're gonna make.
Congratulations on your retirement, Miss May. Enjoy every moment of this new chapter of your life, filled with joy and peace. Now you have all the freedom to wake up late, go out and splurge your millions. I hope your retirement will be filled with laughter, travel, and beautiful memories. Now I have a new travel buddy to my list. Welcome to the club.
Hi, Mami. Congratulations sa imong retirement. No more stress finally. Enjoy. And take care. Love you. Enjoy na ka sa senior discount. Bye-bye.
Hi, Mami. Good evening. Happy retirement. Kumusta na ka? Wala na ka nakita. And then, wala na tayo problema sa due to each all. Pili na tamingon nga disbalance ang ATM, disbalance ang clearing, wala na. And then, wala na tayo problema sa mga audit. Maghilo-pensyon na ka, Mami. And then, hindi rin ako kalimtan katog yung atong pagsulog sa branch nga may gani kay diha pa to ang mga chiki, mga documents, wala na pinugsunog, nagdiferensya ta og 92,000. Ang nahitabo na to, pagbalik nila ni Ma'am Lor, nagpa-print og summary. And then, ang hitabo na to giulit itong Ma'am Lor sa client. Ang client na to grade 8. Pero pagtanaw na to sa balansi, tawid na. Unsao na to. So, mga tig-callback, kuhaan mo, away mo na, bisag nag-check correct lang mo. Pero, naaging hitabo atong hunahuna okay na ta pero wala di ay. And then, Mami, happy retirement. Thank you. Oo, may pag-sweet.
Hello, Mayang. Happy retirement. And I will say happy because I want to remind you that there is life after retirement. So, as you can see, you can still find purpose in your life even after retirement. So, after you get well, manglaag usa ta, manglarga usa ta, and then, mangita na sa taglayang racket, ha? Happy retirement, Yang. I love you. Bye.
Happy retirement, Mami. You have been more than just a supervisor and a colleague to me, but you have been a true friend whose friendship I will cherish for a lifetime. Thank you, and wishing you a joyful, relaxing, and fulfilling retirement. Happy retirement.
This message is late. Dugan akong giingnan ni Yvette. Pero sige na ko try, pero dito ko kahimo. San karon padulong na ko dito sa ako ang garden sa Ubos. And hinungdong ko, I have to give you this message, Mayang, my sweetie pie. I'm so happy nga finally you decided to retire. Abi na ko, moabot pa dyan mag 65 because I know you can do it. Pero it's good. Siguro this time magkita na ta. Have na ta our lunch together with the rest of the group. Gamay na lang kay tagkulang like Gemma and Minerva and Anna. Pagkompleto na gini ating nga batch, and I'm looking forward to seeing you and the rest of the team, and hopefully you will be in the best of health. Take your rest, enjoy your family, and I have known you for quite some time na, even when you were still in Maasin, and then when you transfer to Cebu branch, together we do some kanang work together, just laughing, bisan maabot at gabi kaayo, and just enjoy that time. I just enjoyed those times. Atubang ta ikaw nag-concert ka. I call it concert every time na mag-close na ganyan tellers. Mag-concert na si Mayang kaya na i-collect ang katumat ng mga loan payments. Kaya man nang-encode dito sa BLS or the branch loan system at that time. Sus in town, kana bang dili pa jud kaayo computerize ang tanan. So kasi magkuan na sad na siya, mag-type na siya. Grabe na siya. Murag mga 120 words per minute ganat siya or more. Yeah. Mga resibo bita. O ka na mga due kana bitang mga tickets sa mga due to HO. So, sa taon na mo na i-type dito sa computer. Yeah. Magkuan man na, mag-coordinate man ni anak niya because I'm with the CASA and siya sa BLS. So, tanang mga transactions sa tellers mo, ari dyan na mo. So, yeah. I'm happy finally na retire na get ka, take good care of yourself, and don't worry, I'll be with you in my prayers always, and I love you. Smile and laugh 40 times a day to take all the wrinkles away. These are not wrinkles, these are, we call as laugh lines, dili ni siya wrinkles. Sige yan, be happy, I love you.
Hi, Yang. Congratulations and good luck on your retirement. Miss you so much, and laban ng tayang. God bless you on your journey, and remember, I will always be here for you. Love you, Yang. Bye.
Hi, Miss May. On your retirement, we wish you a good life and good health also. I have such fondest memories of you when we were together sa RMC, pato siya before, RMC CV or SRMO. So, kita na mahibilin usually sa gabi, kay mga night owls man ta ato, and then you are such a hardworking person man sad. You're one of the kindest person I know, very amiable, very pleasant to work with, and beyond that, you're also a good friend. And it's sad that you are leaving DBP because you are one of the assets of DBP, so to say. But this is the reality. We come and we go. So just wish you all the good things ahead. And but it's not really the end. We hope to see you around Sad, and so that our friendship will still continue, and kita na ta kanunay. Thank you.
Hi, Nay! Congratulations on your well-deserved retirement! Nay, you truly are one of the people who made DBP feel like home. And I thank you for being one of my mothers here in DBP, for feeding me, and for all the wonderful memories and meaningful conversations we have shared. And may God bless you as you begin this new chapter. I pray for your good health and happiness that you so deserve. I love you, Nay. I will miss you. Narang hapon ko diri. Just one call and text away. I love you, Nay. Happy retirement, Lucy. See you around.
They can say it all sounds crazy. They can say we've lost our minds. I don't care if they call us crazy. Run away to a world that we desire.
Hello, Auntie May. Congratulations on your retirement.
May this new chapter bring you happiness, good health, and plenty of time to relax and enjoy life.
Take care and God bless.
Hello, Auntie. Congratulations for reaching your retirement. I am very glad that you're able to reach this milestone in your life. I'm sure you've had a wonderful career there in BBP, but I am thrilled that you are now entering this next stage of your life where you are able to have more time for your family, for your friends, and for your loved ones. Again, congratulations for reaching this milestone, and sana more laag to as pohon. Bye.
Hello, Ate May. Have a wonderful, wonderful retirement. We're wishing you all the best. I know you had a wonderful career, simong job that you've been working for so long, and it's time to another chapter sa imong kinabuhi.
Hello, Ate May. Congratulations. I really wish you endless days of happiness, good health, and all the things you long to do. Thank you for everything you did for us and for me specifically, that I'm here in the U.S. because of you, for your sacrifices. Thank you, and enjoy your retirement days.
Congratulations, Ate May, for the retirement, and I wish you the best, and hopefully one day you could come here to the U.S. so we could all see each other again.
Congrats, Auntie May. I hope you have a good retirement and that we get to visit you one day.
Happy retirement, Ate May! Congratulations! We love you!
Hi, Ate May. Good day. Ako na lang yung basahan akong message para sa inyong retirement. To my Ate May your retirement be as magnificent as the impact you made. Wishing you joy and relaxation ahead. Your grace and strength have powered us all. Now it's time for you to enjoy the fruit of your labor. Happy retirement, Ate May. May each day bring new joys and new reason to smile. Wishing you a very special retirement to a woman who has juggled many roles. Please, may your new chapter be filled with happiness and more travel. Thank you, Ate May. Love you. Bye-bye. See you in New York.
Every night I lie in bed, the brightest colors fill my head, a million dreams keeping me awake. I think of what the world could be, a vision of the one I see. A million dreams is all it's gonna take. A million dreams for the world we're gonna make.
However big, however small, let me be part of it all. Share your dreams with me. You may be right, you may be wrong, but say that you'll bring me along to the world you see, to the world I close my eyes to see. I close my eyes
brightest colors fill my head.
A million dreams are keeping me
A million dreams, a million dreams. I think that what the road could be, a vision of the one I see. A million dreams is all it's gonna take.
Hi, Ma'am May. Happy retirement. Mamiya na jud ka, ma'am. Ma'am, thank you kayo for being a good mentor to us, especially during your time here with Mandawi branch. Thank you sa iyong mga insights, help, and we will truly miss you, Ma'am May. As in, I hope madi ka maundang og ka ng order na kog haplas gyapon na sa Giga.
Hi, Mama Yang. Happy retirement. Thank you very much for being a good mentor. Daghan kong nakatunan nimo. So, congratulations on your retirement again. Hoping for a very relaxed, adventurous, and memorable retirement.
Thank you for everything, Ma'am May. You will
Thank you,
greatly
Ma'am.
missed, but never forgotten. Congratulations!
Hi, Mami. Congratulations on your retirement. Thank you for your dedication to DBP.
And enjoy every moment of your well-deserved retirement.